Maximum dancers at Hudoq performance. Prepare to witness a breathtaking dance that's more than just a performance. It's a celebration of tradition, unity, and gratitude. In the heart of Ujoh Bilang, Mahakam Ulu, a grand celebration was about to unfold. Picture this: 2,000 dancers moving in perfect harmony, each step a testament to their culture and faith. They weren't just dancing, they were offering prayers and expressing gratitude to the Creator, seeking bountiful rice harvest. All thanks to the vision of Regent Bonifasius Belawan Geh, SH, this monumental Hudoq performance has etched its place in the Asia Book of Records. It's more than just a dance, it's a heartfelt tribute to tradition, unity, and the bounties of the earth. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.